Biofilm is a collection of bacteria that form an extracellular polysaccharide upon themselves. This polysaccharide matrix is metal ion cross-linked, usually by iron atoms that are readily available, and this forms a protective structure on the biofilm bacterial community, which prevents large molecules from getting through and consumes active molecules as they try to get through, and protects them from attack by both externally added antimicrobials and by the body's own immune system. So the biofilm forms on surfaces within the body pretty quickly during surgery, and it's the biofilm form that's actually protective to the bacteria and allows them to continue to grow even when you've applied antibiotics or other treatment modalities. And this bacteria biofilm then continues to grow, especially on surfaces such as implants or non-well perfused tissue, and this is what causes the systemic and continued infection of the body. XPERIENCE is a no-rinse antimicrobial solution that's used at the end of surgery to wash away any bacterial biofilm that's in the wound and is allowed to remain in the wound after closure. XPERIENCE works by breaking down the bacterial biofilm EPS that's protecting the bacteria and keeping it from being attacked by the body or other antimicrobials. It breaks down that EPS by chelating out the metal ions that are holding the biofilm together, bringing those polymers into solution, and then killing any bacteria that enter into the solution by cell lysis. Additionally, since you're rinsing with the product, any bacteria that's removed from the surface are washed away. XPERIENCE has high efficacy against all forms of bacteria, even in biofilm form. It kills the planktonic bacteria within just a couple minutes of application. And because it's allowed to stay within the body, it continues to work on biofilm and achieves a very high 3 to 4 log reduction of biofilm in several hours while it's left in the body to continue working. XPERIENCE has high safety even when left behind in the body cavity. It's been tested against most of the structures within the body that would be exposed to, including mesentery, cardiothoracic, orthopedic applications, even on dura, and shown to be non-inflammatory and non-irritating to those tissues, and has been tested all the standard ISO safety testing to prove that it's not an irritant and not going to cause any problems for the patient, including not hindering wound closure. XPERIENCE can be applied either manually or with a powered surgical system, which would allow pulse lavage or directed flow. After it's been applied, the majority is suction out of the surgical site before closure. Unlike other products, XPERIENCE does not need to be rinsed out of the surgical site after application. Other products on the market are not able to break down the bacterial biofilm. They don't remove the metal ions that are allowing the biofilm to be cross-linked together by chelating out those away. We're able to break down that biofilm, and no other product on the market has that capability. In addition, those other products have different toxicity profiles than XPERIENCE, and they have to be rinsed away with saline after they've been applied, like the XPERIENCE that can be left in and just suctioned out and then closed. Because of the high safety and efficacy of the XPERIENCE product, it can be used in almost any procedure. Procedures of particular interest would be ones that have high biofilm loads, such as orthopedic implants and colorectal procedures. There are currently no contraindications for XPERIENCE.